Good day. Today I'll show you how you can quickly free up space on your hard disk drive in a Windows 11 based PC. Here you can see in this case we have only 40.4 gigabyte free of a 476 gigabyte capacity hard drive. You could see the color here red shows that the space in the hard drive is almost getting used up, which can affect system performance. So a quick tool that you can use to free up space to remove some unnecessary files on the system is disk cleanup tool. So I can type the disk cleanup tool. You can see it's come up here, disk cleanup tool, and then I open it. So when I open it, it shows me the amount of space I can free up on my hard drive. And as I can see here, I will not be able to free up much space. But recently, I upgraded to Windows 11. So I'm going to click on clean up system files because I'm sure that the files from Windows 10, the old installation, is still on this PC and it takes up much space. So I'll click on clean up system files, and then it's going to calculate the amount of system files that are no longer needed on the system, mostly related to the old Windows that I upgraded from. So wait for it to finish calculating. So now can free up more space on my hard disk drive. You could see Microsoft Defender Antivirus 6.87 megabytes, Windows upgrade log files 1.26 gigabyte, and then I can scroll down and then you see previous Windows installations 23.1 gigabyte. So I click on that. Now, if you want to remove the old Windows installations or the old Windows system files remaining on your PC after upgrading, it is better you use the disk cleanup tool to safely delete it. Don't just delete it directly because it might affect some system files on your PC. Okay, so now you see total amount of disk space I gain will be 24.4 gigabytes. So I go on and I click OK. So it wants me, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes. Okay, so now it will do the cleanup and then we'll see the result here. Formerly we had 40.4 gigabytes of free space, and now we should expect more free space on the PC, which will, improve the system performance. Now it's going to warn you if you clean up the previous Windows installation or temporary installation files, you will no longer be able to restore the machine back to the previous version of Windows. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes, because I've installed it, I've upgraded for over 6 months now, and I feel my system is stable with Windows 11. So I click yes. So that's been done. And so if we click the refresh button, we should see the updated free space. So now we have freed some space and we now have 63.2 gigabytes free. And you can see the color of the hard drive has changed to blue. Thanks for watching.